Are you tired of feeling like a complete newbie when it comes to trading? Do you want to impress your friends, your family, and even your dog with your newfound stock market savvy? If so, then look no further, my friend, because we've got the ultimate guide to faking it till you make it or lose it all trying. Let's go. Hey, welcome back to the 𝗕𝗢𝗡 YouTube channel. I'm Jeff, published author, professional trader for 17 years, and in this no-nonsense, slightly sarcastic, and hopefully not too dangerous guide, we're going to show you how to talk the talk, walk the walk, and fake your way to trading hero status. Or as we like to call it, fake it till you break it, or hopefully make it. So put on your best poker face, grab a pencil, and get ready to take notes. Or just wing it. We won't judge. Now, let's dive into the wonderful, weird, and sometimes wacky world of trading. Tip number one, the first rule of faking it till you make it is to talk the talk. Listen, you don't have to know what a PE ratio is. Just use that term confidently and people are going to assume that you're an expert. Remember this, it's not what you know, it's how you sound like you know it. Number two, walk the walk. I want you to dress the part of a trader, okay? That powerful suit, slick back your hair, and always have a serious facial expression. I want you to dress like a Wall Street hotshot, even if you're just a wannabe. Because let's face it, guys, nothing says I'm a trader like a shiny suit and a tie that's too tight. Number three, fake it till you make it, but don't make it too obvious. Guys, don't start spouting off things you don't understand. If you do that, you are going to get the reputation as the office idiot. Or even worse, in front of your friends and your colleagues, you're going to look like the clueless clown. So don't make it too obvious. Hey, I think this will be a great time to ask you to smash that like button if you're finding value in this video or you're finding entertainment in any way, okay? It really does help the channel and it helps spread out this video to more people so they can share in the entertainment and the value just like you. I would really appreciate it. Thank you very much. Number four, when all else fails, just nod and smile. It's the universal language of I have no idea what you're saying, but I'm pretending like I do. People love being agreed with, even if they're spouting off nonsense. Number five, it's not just about pretending to know what you're doing. You need to also pretend to care about what you're doing. Be passionate about stocks, okay? Be passionate, even if you have no idea what you're talking about, okay? For example, in trading, one of the most important things to remember is always have an exit strategy. So if somebody asks you a question you don't understand, you need to have an exit strategy, okay? Just say that you got a phone call and slip away. Or even better, pretend like you got a text message from the great Warren Buffett himself and you need to respond ASAP. Number six, act confident, even when you're not confident, okay? This is gonna make people think like you're a pro, even if you're actually just faking it. Because confidence, my friends, is like a suit of armor. It's gonna protect you from looking like a complete imposter or even worse, a complete idiot. Number seven, never let the truth get in the way of a good story. Yes, that's right, folks. The key to being a successful fake trader is to always have a compelling story to back up your questionable decisions. Did you just lose all your money on a bad trade? If so, hey, don't panic. Just come up with a story about how you were trying out a new strategy. Hey, and that strategy worked great in the past. It just didn't work out so well this time. Hey, and if anybody questions your methods, just stick to your story and act like you know what you're talking about. Remember, like we said earlier, it's not about being right. It's about sounding right. And here's a bonus tip. Lastly, remember there's always a risk when it comes to trading, whether you're a fake or not. So never invest more than you're willing to lose. And if all else fails, just blame the market. Because let's face it, the market is like the weather. Sometimes it's sunny, sometimes it's stormy, and there's nothing you can do about it except complain. In conclusion, remember that faking it till you make it in the stock market is like playing a game of poker. Sometimes you have to bluff your way through a hand, even if that hand is terrible. But if you do it right, you can come out on top and make a fortune, or end up broke, or even end up crying in the corner. Hey, but hey, at least you tried, right? So go forth, fake traders, and remember to talk the talk, walk the walk, and always have an exit strategy. And most importantly, don't take yourself too seriously. Because when it comes to the stock market, sometimes the best thing to do is just laugh it off and try again tomorrow. And if all else fails, just remember the words of the great Warren Buffett himself. The stock market is a device for transferring money from the impatient to the patient. So be patient, stay positive, and keep on faking it till you make it. Or at least until you can afford a real suit. And who knows, maybe someday your fake stories will become real success stories. Or at least really good material for your stand-up comedy routine. All right, everybody. Hey, if you enjoyed this video or found value or entertainment in any way, do me a favor, guys, smash that like button, all right? It helps YouTube spread this video out to more people. I really appreciate it. Thank you very much. It really does matter, and it helps me keep doing stuff like this. All right, and if you're serious about becoming a professional option trader, then make sure you click right here. This is our playlist, Mastering Option Trading in 2023. It's gonna take you from a beginner all the way to advanced with all the techniques and strategies that we like to use, all right? We'll see you in the next video.